Hello and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned with new updates. Let's begin. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use the Canon 200D and also I will be using the Canon 50mm lens, the 1:1:1.8 STM lens. Okay, so let's see how best the photos we can get using the Canon 50mm lens. Okay, so this is a new camera body, and let's see how best the shots are. And we are here in the desert today, and right now, before going to desert, this would be a small clip for you to understand what settings we will be using. So stay tuned for more updates. I will mention all the details in the video and also in the description so that you know what settings I've been using. So please watch the video and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. You have a lovely day, and also share the video.